Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I want to share with you guys the Echopark Club Echopark paper monthly subscription. This comes every quarter, but it arrived today and I'm so excited to share with you the goodies inside. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to see is you're going to get this piece of paper that has a lot of inspiration. So a lot of ideas that would start you to create. And then there's a special project in the back. There's a card there, and then it gives you instructions as well as a scrapbook layout. Very beautiful. So that's a good start to this project. And next you get a 6x6 paper. I think this is $29. It's currently sold out, but I know you can get them individually at the Echopark website. So this is a 6x6 pattern paper. That's what we have right there, and this is the back part. It's very beautiful. The colors are vibrant, and they work so well together. And that is it's a double-sided paper. How pretty. How beautiful is this, you guys, right? Like now I don't know which one is the best floral collection, this one or the other one. Because they're both so gorgeous. Look at these. That's for embroidering, but it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, the wood grain, of course. Always the wood grain. Gets me every time. Lots of cut aparts. This would be so beautiful. Like for a tag. How pretty. And they're all double-sided. Look at that. How pretty are the colors? Oh wow. This is super cute. Can you guys see this? It's so cute. Look at that one. Like a wooden box with a label, like a metal label on it. So tiny. This is the back part of that. Some more flowers. So spring. So cute. I love this. They have like a flower truck in the other collection. The Cartabella one from I think last year. But this is a different take on it. A little bit more pink than the other one. And a little bit lighter because that had a lot of black elements in it. Which is still gorgeous. This is more of aqua. If it's not going through the camera. How pretty. And that repeats. Did I show you guys this already? Yes, I did. So it just repeats. So you get 2 sheets, so you're not so torn. Anyway, so that's the 6x6. And then let's do the chipboard accents. It's so pretty. I love that. Look at that, guys. How beautiful are these colors? Like a mini album, like a spring mini album maybe, if you're going on vacation for spring break. Or like just regular cards. Like to your friends, like birthday cards, that would be perfect too. Or a get well card. Anything, actually. Because flowers work well with everything. Like graduation or anything. Enamel dots. These are the colors. And then look, they have a small stamp set. It's kind of small. But still, it has the truck. Right? It says thank you. It has you make me happy. Thanks. Enjoy, bloom, friends, and enjoy the little things. And they have like tiny flower elements that you can stamp and maybe color using your Copic or colored pencils, because this would be so cute. And it has the tiniest banner there. This is cute, right? I know they have a separate, like a bigger standard size stamp that's not part of the collection, but they have it as a separate for purchase. So now we're going to start with the element sticker for the 12 by 12 sheet. So I'm going to take you to all the sides so you can see and appreciate how lovely they are. So cute. Look at that. Those are so pretty. We're going to pan out a little bit so you can see the overall vibe of it. That's so beautiful. Like this one, if you just take this and put it on top of a card, like put a foam tape on it in the back, that's perfect. They're so beautiful. Next paper is this one. So it's like strips that you can cut up, and this is the back part. How pretty. Next one are these flower pots. Gorgeous florals, beautiful flowers. And this is the B side of it. Like a little aqua / teal. And this is the trucks that they have on the stamp. The truck says fresh cut flower bouquets. Yeah, so that's one. And then this is the back part. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Isn't it so pretty? And this one, oh my gosh. I cannot wait to cut this all up. This would be perfect for, you know, when you have like a 6x8 album, you could insert this in the page protectors. This would be perfect. And then some small pictures. And the back part is this beautiful floral. And then next is this set of cute, beautiful flowers. And that's the plain back part. This is super high quality. I think this is 110-pound cardstock. And then next one, wow. I think this is the main. Yeah, this is like a blush pink. Cute. Yeah, there's a lot of difference from last year's collection. I think this is more watercolory. Like the edges are less defined than the previous. You see, it's very watercolory theme. The other one was more printed, if that makes any sense. You see that? Yeah, this is more watercolory. But it's gorgeous. The colors, everything. And that's the back part. How cute is this? Beautiful, how cute. This would make a good ephemera. That's for sure. How beautiful. I wanted to finish this video so that I can start cutting it up. And this is gorgeous. All the beautiful colors of the collection is in one paper. And I love that they added a hint of black and white in there. It's perfect. So I hope you guys had a great time. Sorry about the glare. So this is available in the Echopark website, guys. I hope you had a great time. Comment down below which one is your favorite sheet. My favorite, I think, is the embroidery hoop. Anyway, have a crafty day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Bye.